Hello students, welcome to SS Power Education. Today I am going to start with a new chapter, decimal fraction. So what is decimal fraction? So a basic concept is a fraction whose denominator is 10 or a higher power of 10, that is 100, 1000, etc. is called a decimal fraction. So the denominator of any number, any fraction, when it is 10 or more than 10, like 100, 1000, then that will be a decimal fraction. Okay, for such a fraction the denominator is removed and its absence is shown by a small dot, which is called as decimal point, inserted at proper place. Okay, so like if there is 10, we'll put a decimal point before one number from right, like going to the left side. Okay, and if there is two numbers like 2 zeros, then we'll put before two numbers. Okay, when there is 1000, then before 3 number. When some number is like this, then we have to put in between. Okay, so since 2 upon 10 and 31 upon 10 have 10 as a denominator, therefore when 10 is removed, a dot representing a decimal point is placed just one digit from the right. Okay, so this I have. So number of decimal places. So the number of digits in the decimal part of a number is the number of decimal place. So what will be the decimal place? So the number after the decimal point. Okay, we have to count the numbers after decimal point and we have to write how many numbers are there in the decimal place. Okay, so that will be 2 numbers or 3 numbers. Like here there is 3 decimal places, here it is 2 decimal places. Okay, so the number after the decimal point will be the decimal place. Like and unlike decimal numbers. So the given decimal numbers are said to be like decimal numbers if they have the same number of decimal place, otherwise they are called unlike decimal numbers. For example, like here the decimal places are same, so that is why this is same. All the decimal places are 1, 1, 1, 1, so these are like decimal. Okay, and when there is different decimal places, see here it is 1, here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 4, here it is 1. So this is unlike decimal numbers. Okay, so there is a note, unlike decimal numbers can be converted into like decimal numbers. So yes, we can convert it into like decimal numbers. For example, 5 upon 8, 239.06 and 0.5497 in this number. So we can, here it is 1 decimal place, here it is 2 decimal place, here it is 4 decimal place. By putting zeros, by adding zeros, we can make it same. So when there is a question asked that we have to convert the given unlike fractions into the like decimal fractions, that time we have to do like this. Okay, now conversion of given fraction into a decimal fraction. So here they will be the question will be given in fraction and we have to write the answer into decimal fraction. So how we can do that? So count the number of zeros in the denominator of the given fraction. In the numerator, mark the decimal point after as many digits counting from extreme right to left as the number of zeros in the denominator. At the same time remove the denominator. Okay, so we have to count the zeros given in the denominator then we have to cancel the denominator, remove the denominator, and we come to the numerator, and we have to put the point after the number of digit of zeros were given. Like if here is 100, okay, so that means there is 2 zeros, then the point will come before 2 digit number. Okay, when there is 1000, then point will come before 3 digit numbers. If it is 10, then point will come before 1 digit number. So here they have given some examples. When the denominator can be expressed as 10, 100, 1000 and etc. Multiply both the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by the suitable number so that the denominator becomes 10 or as a power of 10. Then proceed as above. Okay, so if the number something is given like this, so we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with such a number that we will get the denominator as 10 or a power of 10. Okay, that means the answer should come 10, 100 or so on. Okay, the new denominator, and then we have to put it the decimal point also. So conversion of a given decimal fraction into non-decimal fraction. So remove the decimal point and at the same time write it in the denominator as many zeros. So we have to convert it. Okay, so we have to see there are how many numbers after the point. We have to put that many zeros. Okay, if there is 2 numbers after the point, we have to put 2 zeros. If there is 1, we have to put 1. If there is 3, we have to put 3 numbers, okay, in the denominator part, and we can simplify it, okay, in the short form, simplest form. See here, they have given some examples in the exercise. We can see this, how to solve it, okay. So I'll make another video for the exercise, so watch that part 2 video of decimal fraction. Okay, so do like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.